We've got an ET Now exclusive to address, and we understand that the centre is finalizing a new pitch to convince states to levy a sugar cess. It failed to get the states on board at the recently concluded GST Council meet, which was just last Friday. So what is the centre really planning? Tushar Chakrabarti joins us with exactly that. Tushar?
So this GST Council meeting was inconclusive as far as the sugar cess matter was concerned, after the central government faced stiff opposition from a number of states on this particular point of levying cess. And from what we pick up from our sources in the government is that the government, even if it decides to go forth and impose a cess on sugar, primarily to support sugarcane prices, it can do so on a temporary basis, and the same cess can be revised or even cut down and eliminated going forward if prices were to stabilize today. But that is a call that the GST Council will have to take at a later date. However, as far as this particular decision is concerned, the government will have to bring a sugar cess under the goods and services tax by the way of an ordinance, and cess up to 3 rupees per kg can be levied as far as sugar is concerned. And even if market conditions were to permit the removal of this cess sometime down the line, the particular provision of levying a cess under the goods and services tax is likely to be retained, so that even in a case sometime in the future, if such a cess is again required, similar steps can be taken. But as far as the government is concerned, it is showing flexibility as far as the imposition of cess is concerned. However, remember, there is a GOM which has been formed after the last GST Council meeting, which will deliberate on the merits or demerits of imposing the sugar cess under the goods and services tax, and we'll have to wait for the recommendations, and after that those recommendations will have to be evaluated by the GST Council itself.
Okay, we'll leave it at that, Tushar. Thanks much for those exclusive details on what's really going on and whether or not we're going to see a cess on sugar be implemented by the government in its next GST Council meet, or perhaps even outside of that.